Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to measure the current flowing through any component within the everycircuit.com online simulator. So how we can do that? First of all, you have to write everycircuit.com within the Google and it will lead us to the main web page or the main website for circuit simulations. So here we have opened our website. So now we need to click on this launch free online simulator. It can take a little bit of time, so be patient. Now we have opened our window. We need to click on this and then we will delete these out so that we have a vacant window for our circuit simulation. And now we need to take our voltage source, that is the battery, or simply we can call it as the voltage source, which is actually the DC voltage source. Now with the help of this voltage source we need to control our lamp. So this is our lamp, like this. And if we want to measure what's called is the amperes or the current, then we need to insert our ampere meter, and ampere meter must be in between this lamp and this voltage source. Why it is so? Because it is a general rule that if you want to measure the current through any component or through any circuit, then we have to insert the ammeter in series so that it will then measure the current. Now this has been done. We just need to take one ground as well, so that, okay, wait, so let me see, like this. And now our circuit has been completed, like this. Now we will run it out, but before it, you must know that our lamp is 12 volt operated, while our voltage source is not 12 volts. So we need to change it out. Okay, no, wait. Our lamp is not 12 volt. It is just 1.5 volt operated. So it is 1.52. Now we will run it out. We will run our circuit, and now you can see that our lamp is on and is working properly. And it is also drawing 20.3 milliampere current. Okay. So with the help of this technique, we can measure the current flowing through any circuit or the current flowing through any component within the circuit. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.